Stop flying your drone. Seriously. Because everything you think you know about FPV, about immersive flight, and about capturing jaw-dropping, impossible video is about to be completely rewritten. For years, FPV has been a niche, a passion for the daring. The DJI Avata made it accessible, safer, and incredibly fun. But there was always one missing piece, one frustrating limitation that prevented true creative freedom: the horizon. Well, get ready to break that barrier. Deep whispers from Shenzhen, leaks from the testing fields, and patent filings are all pointing to one revolutionary device that will merge the best of FPV with the ultimate in cinematic capture: the DJI Avata 360. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. This isn't just an Avata upgrade. This is the birth of an entirely new category of aerial vehicle. If you are a content creator, a real estate professional, an action sports filmmaker, or just someone obsessed with getting the most stunning shots imaginable, you need to hear this. For the next 30 minutes, I'm going to reveal the rumored specs, the revolutionary camera system, and the flight features that will make the Avata 360 the most desired drone of the next generation. Stick with me, because this changes everything. Let's start with the central innovation: the 360-degree camera system in an FPV format. The traditional FPV drone captures a fixed forward view. If you want to look left or right, you have to physically turn the entire drone, disrupting your flight path and flow. The Avata 360 is rumored to solve this by integrating a dual-lens, panoramic camera module protected within the duct guards. What does this unlock? Post-production panning and stabilization. Imagine flying a screaming, proximity line through a forest. Your goggles see forward, locking onto your path. But the camera records everything around you. In post-production, you can pan the viewer's angle a full 360 degrees, creating a dynamic, third-person chase sequence without ever having to manually turn the camera in flight. You choose the angle after the stunt is complete. This is powered by the next-generation Rocksteady and Horizon Steady algorithms, adapted for 360 footage. It will achieve an unparalleled level of smoothness, making even the most aggressive flips and dives look like a movie tracking shot. It takes the stress out of framing and puts the focus purely on the flight. This is the creative safety net we've all been waiting for. A revolutionary concept demands revolutionary image quality. The Avata 360 is reportedly ditching the current sensor for something far more potent. We are looking at dual 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensors, a significant upgrade that dramatically improves low-light performance and dynamic range. This is crucial because stitching two wide-angle images together requires pristine quality from both lenses. The rumored maximum output resolution is breathtaking: 5.7K at 60 frames per second in 360 format. And here's the kicker: DJI is rumored to be introducing a new, dedicated color profile, an Avata-specific D-Log-M or equivalent, giving you professional-grade color grading latitude that was previously impossible on a tiny FPV drone. Furthermore, we've heard whispers of internal 10-bit color depth. This means smoother gradients, better handling of shadows and highlights, and a final product that matches the color fidelity of professional ground cameras. This isn't toy footage. This is cinema-grade immersion. This is the difference